X-Cube i9 Manual Guide. Backup and restore. To backup, select Patient or Exam. And press Backup. And follow the sequence. To restore from a removable media, such as USB, to the local hard drive, insert a media that contains patient data. Select a removable media from the Source drop-down list. Select the patient from the patient list. Click Restore. The progress bar appears while importing files. To eject the removable media, press the Eject key on the QWERTY keyboard. You are able to add and remove a storage device, such as a DICOM device, USB flash drive, or network storage in the System Preset Patient Info area.